Tired of your mobile data feeling like you're stuck in the slow lane? Today, we're putting to premium contenders, US Mobile and Visible Plus, head-to-head to see which offers the ultimate mobile experience. First, let's talk pricing and plans. US Mobile offers incredible flexibility. You can build your own plan, paying only for what you need, or opt for their unlimited premium plan. Visible Plus, on the other hand, comes with a fixed price and a comprehensive set of features. However, which offers more value depends on your needs. One of the biggest differentiators is data prioritization. Visible Plus provides truly unlimited premium data on Verizon's 5G ultra-wideband network, meaning you'll typically experience faster speeds, especially during peak hours. US Mobile speeds are great too, but the data isn't always prioritized in the same way, so it's difficult to guarantee the same performance. Next up, Hotspot. Visible Plus gives you a 50 GB premium mobile hotspot allowance. US Mobile varies depending on what plan you build, so if you're frequently on the go and need reliable connectivity for your laptop or other devices, Visible Plus could be the better choice. For international travelers, Visible Plus offers calling and texting to Canada and Mexico, plus international data roaming. US Mobile's international features are a bit more limited, though you can purchase international data plans, so frequent travelers will find Visible Plus an attractive option. In conclusion, Visible Plus provides a streamlined, premium experience with prioritized data, a generous hotspot allowance, and international perks. US Mobile excels in customization and affordability, especially if you don't need all the bells and whistles. The best choice depends on your individual needs and usage patterns. Now you can make an informed decision on which premium plan will be the better option for you.